I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by prepping the phone and creating a controlled shot. Wipe the lens and remove any case that interferes. Open the camera app and pick photo or the macro preset when present. Move slowly toward your subject until the camera finds focus. You'll see the image sharpen. Tap and hold the area to lock AF/AE so focus and exposure stay fixed. Once done, use the exposure slider to brighten or darken the frame before you press the shutter. Now refine the middle steps to get a crisp close-up. Steady the phone on a mini tripod or lean it against something solid. Even tiny shakes blur close photos. Turn on the grid to align the subject and keep composition consistent. If your phone struggles, switch to portrait for depth or use a manual focus app to fine-tune focus distance. Make small forward and backward adjustments, move in millimeters, until the key detail is pin-sharp. Then trigger the shutter with a finish by reviewing and polishing your close-up for final use. Zoom to 100% in photos to check sharpness, then crop to improve composition and apply modest sharpening and noise reduction. Export the full resolution file and keep an original backup so you can revert changes later. If the camera keeps hunting for focus or won't lock, clean the lens again, toggle macro control in settings if available, or attach an inexpensive clip-on macro lens. That single troubleshooting step often fixes persistent focus issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.